Effects of your lifestyle on your skin. Hello, this is Dr. Mansi from the Daily Derma Clinic, the founder and the director at the Daily Derma Clinic. Quality and age of your skin is affected by much more than genetics and age. Your existing lifestyle can have a great impact on your skin's physical appearance as well as physical health. Few of your existing lifestyle characters can affect your skin's natural health as well as its physical appearance. First of all, smoking. If you guys smoke, it can have a great impact on your skin's physical health as well as its natural appearance. Smoke and tobacco in any forms leads to decreased oxygen levels as well as reduction in collagen and elastin, which can accelerate premature aging of skin, which may lead to fine lines, wrinkles, dullness as well as loss of youthful appearance. Coming to the next point, unhealthy diet. Diet rich in sugar as well as carbohydrates can lead to acne, loss of your youthful appearance and dullness to the skin. On the contrary, diet rich in antioxidants as well as omega leads to increased production of collagen and elastin, which can give you a firmer base and prevent sagging. Third, coming to excessive sun exposure. Excessive sun exposure can lead to increased melanin production, which may in turn give you hyperpigmentation, for which you may have to get treated later on, as well as it accelerates premature aging. So never forget to apply your sunscreens. Also, while selecting your sunscreen, read the label and see if it has an SPF greater than 50, as well as read for UVB, UVA protection. And if you guys regularly swim, you should apply water resistant sunscreens. Coming to the fourth point, sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long hours behind a desk not only affects your back as well as affects your skin, because your blood doesn't pump as faster as it is needed and the skin's oxygen level as well as the nutrient levels goes down, and it leads to premature aging, loss of youthfulness and dullness. So if you keep on exercising regularly, the pump of the blood increases as well as gives you a youthful appearance as well as supple skin. Coming to the impacts of your lifestyle on your skin, how do you restore your skin to its natural youthful appearance? Many of the people know that they should take care of your skin at a prior age when you don't notice the signs and symptoms of aging or dullness. But it is never too late to start taking care of your skin. How do we restore your skin? First of all, start wearing your sunscreens regularly. Wear an SPF greater than 50. Then coming to a medicated cleanser, moisturizer as well as sunscreen routine. After that, you can develop your routine and add vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamides to in turn add the youthfulness in your skin. Get your pores regularly cleaned so that whatever you apply on your skin penetrates deeply and your skincare gives an effective result. Hydrate your body inner and out. If plain water is a problem, you can include water in the form of fruit juices and much more. Also, start taking food which are rich in antioxidants as well as omega fatty acids like berries, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, spinach, broccoli and much more. For more information, you can visit our website or directly meet us at our clinic. The clinic names the Daily Derma Clinic. More information will be linked down below.